Hi everybody, in this video we're going to finish the Mustang small block Ford. I'm excited to show it to you. The video is a little bit different format. It's not as much instructional as it is you can just kind of see the process of putting the engine together. If you have questions, let me know in the comments below. Also, Riggs Garage is very active on Instagram now. I post almost daily updates on projects and things and other automotive stuff, so you can check that out. Follow me at Riggs Garage. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys! Here's a timing cover, fresh gasket. I put the new crankshaft seal in here as well, just pressed it in. So I think she's ready to go. Those look beautiful against the new fresh blue. This gasket, woof. I guess we're gonna have a gasket trimming party. I'm gonna mark that with a pencil and go over it with a razor blade. Always cut towards your fingers with the razor blade. Yes, please. Let's get it lined up here. I'm preparing to put the oil pan on, and I put a clump of my son's modeling clay on there to see what the clearance is going to be between this oil pickup and the bottom of the oil pan, and just to make sure that things are okay. I can see that it's kind of listing at an angle this way, so I don't know exactly how good it is. We can do a slight bend in it if we need to. So it didn't smash it very tight at all. It looks like the clearance is probably about a ½ inch. Alright, so the clearance is right at 3/4 of an inch. There we go.
I think you might have been doing a bit too much.
Alright, now we're looking at about, let me get the angle for you, right at a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch, and it's kind of tilted, but it looks like that is much better. I'm following ARP's instructions. 70 foot-pounds is what we're going to do. They said to put the chamfered end of the washer upward towards the head of the bolt. I'm going to put the ARP Moly lube between the head of the bolt and the washer, and then on the threads as well, so that'll be torquing properly. And they also recommend that I clean out the threads, which I did that. I chased the threads, and this should be ready to go. Now, a 289 does not have head bolts that go into a water jacket. I know some like 351 Windsors and maybe later model 302s do, but this does not, so I am not going to be using a thread sealer on those bolts. Should go in the sequence. I've been waiting to do this for a while to my vintage Wee-end manifold, but it was painted, and now I'm going to sand the tops of the Wee-end lettering off. I'm going to use this block to start with. All right, there it is. For an old casting, it looks pretty darn good. There are a few low spots that you can't hit with sandpaper, but we're gonna do lifters. These were numbered when I disassembled it, so I'm just gonna make sure they have lots of assembly lube all around. Take one. And I put assembly lube on top of each. Thank you. Boom.
Got it.
Thank you. Blue, purple, black. This bolt's terrible. Apparently with a small block Ford, a person should put this water neck on while the intake manifold's off. That would have saved me like 10 minutes of messing around with this. Quarter turn at a time. Alright, getting ready to prime this engine. I hooked up the crappy old gauge that came out of the car and hooked it up here. Brain's dead. We get some sort of drill powered doohickey down in there to drive the oil pump shaft, but not the camshafts. Now I have created a drill rig to turn the oil pump counterclockwise. What I did is I did a 1/4 inch extensions and a actual 1/4 inch long socket, and what I did is I electrical taped these so they can't fall off in the engine and cause me lots of pain. Check out the other Riggs Garage Project videos. Thanks for watching.